In this lesson video, we will first see how to find the volume of pyramid of polygonal base pyramid, that is pentagonal base pyramid or hexagonal base pyramid. Then we will find a formula to find the total surface area of a pyramid, and we will use that formula to find total surface area of a given triangular base pyramid. Now we will find the volume of a regular pentagonal base pyramid. That means the base here is pentagon and regular pentagon. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arms. So it's a pentagon and it's a regular pentagon. So we need to find the volume of this regular pentagonal base pyramid. So here base center to apex, this line height is given, height of the pyramid is given as 5 centimeter. So height of the pyramid is given 5 centimeter. Now we need the base area to find the volume. So we need to calculate this pentagon, regular pentagon's area. So here we know if a pentagon is regular, if a pentagon is regular, then its 5 vertex pass through a common circle, and from center, if we divide this pentagon into 5 triangles, all these 5 triangles area is equal. So if we just can calculate one of the triangle, then if we can that is one of the triangles area, then if we multiply by 5, then we can get the whole pentagon's area. So now here to calculate one of this triangle area, here we are given one arm. So that means if we take one triangle out, its one arm is given 1.5 centimeter, and center, that is this center to that edge's height, that is this height is given 1 centimeter. So this is given 1 centimeter. So from here we can calculate the area of this one triangle. The area of one of these 5 triangles, one triangle will be half times its base is 1.5 times its height is 1. So we will get 0.75 centimeter square. So one of these triangles area is 0.75 square. So area of this total pentagon will be 5 times of this, because there are 5 triangles similar to this one. Since this is a regular pentagon, this is only true for regular pentagon. So the base area, that means the area of this pentagonal base, regular pentagonal base, will be 5 times area of this one triangle, that is 0.75. If we calculate it, we will get 3.75 centimeter square. So this is our base area. This is the base area, pentagonal base area, and pyramid's height is 5. So now if we use this volume formula, then we will find the volume V of this pyramid is 1/3 of base area, which is total base area, total pentagon area is 3.75, and height of the pyramid is 5 centimeter. So now if we calculate it, we will get the volume as 6.25. All dimensions are in centimeter, so volume will be centimeter cube. So basically calculating the volume of a pyramid is knowing its height and calculating the area of the given base. Here we were given regular pentagon, so we needed to calculate the area of a pentagon. Here this is the main job, and height is given. Once we have the base area, we can just use this formula and can get the volume of a pyramid. Let us find the volume of the regular hexagonal base pyramid. That means in this pyramid, the base is a hexagon and it's a regular hexagon. That is very important, regular hexagon. So we need to find the volume of this pyramid. So to find the volume of the pyramid, we need base area and height. here the height of the pyramid is directly given 5 meter. So height is given 5 meter. We need to calculate this base area. The only dimension that is given is this arm length. Regular hexagon got a special property that if we have a regular hexagon, that means it's all 6 arms will be on a common circle. So if this is a regular hexagon got a property that if we draw a triangle by connecting center of the circle and 2 vertices, then this triangle become a equilateral triangle, as well as each of the triangle is equilateral, and all these 6, because there are 6 edges, so all these 6 triangles area are same. So if we just find area of this one and if we multiply by 6, then we will find the total hexagonal's area. And to find this one triangle's area, this is an equilateral triangle, so we will draw a equilateral triangle here. Equilateral triangle, that means its 3 arms are equal, which is equal to this. That means we are drawing this equilateral triangle, this equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle, that means 3 arms are equal. So this is 2 meter, this is 2 meter, and this is also 2 meter. 2 meter, 2 meter, and 2 meter. Now to find the area of this triangle, we need to know its height. This triangle's height, one triangle's height. So let us assume this is U. Another property is there that for an equilateral triangle, if we draw this perpendicular line from one vertex or corner point to another base or another arm, then this perpendicular line divides this arm into 2 equal parts. That is, this total length is 2 meter. So this each of this part will be, this is 1 meter and this is 1 meter. So now if we use, we need to know this height, then we can find the area of this triangle. So now if we use this small triangle, this part of the triangle where this is a right angle, so this is the hypotenuse. So using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, that is 2 square, equals this arms square plus this arms square. This one is U, this one is 1. So it will be U square plus 1 square. So from here we will get 2 square is 4 and 1 square is 1. So if we take this side, it will be 3. So U square is 3. So U will be square root of 3. So this U is square root of 3, which is 1.73 meter. So now just from one arm length we found the height, and now we can find the area of this one triangle. So area of one triangle will be half times its total base. This triangle's total base is this, so this is 2 meter, times this triangle's height is U, that is 1.73. So we will get this 2 and 2 will cancel, 1.73 meter square. Area is meter square. So one triangle's area is this. Since the base is a regular hexagon, so it will have 6 of such triangles. So the area of this total hexagonal base, that is the base area of the pyramid, base area is 6 times this one triangle's area, that is 1.73. We will get 10.38 meter square. So we now have our base area and height of the pyramid. So using this formula, volume will be 1/3 base area times height. So the volume of the pyramid V is 1/3, base area is 10.38, and height is given 5 meter. So 5 meter. So if we calculate it, we will get the volume 17.3. Dimensions are all in meter, so volume will be meter cube.